Steel is a very viscous material. It takes a lot more energy to melt steel. You're talking in excess of 1400 degrees. It does not lend itself to thin wall castings. Aluminium, you are melting at half the temperature. It can run as low down as 3 millimeters or 2.8 millimeter wall sections. So the inherent mass volume within the part is much more, is greatly reduced over the comparative steel part. It delivers the material performance that the vehicle needs, and ultimately it's just a much easier material to work with than the ferrous alloys. So aluminium is capable of giving the vehicle what it needs in terms of its strength and robustness. The elongations are good, so they are more able to absorb road load inputs and manage the vibrations and all the flexes that go into body structures. Aluminium as a material is much easier to work with than the ferrous alloys, and it's also one of the easiest materials to recycle. So overall, from the complete life cycle of aluminium, it's a very flexible, adaptable element which is highly suited to these type of applications.